Plant FAQs. Heuchera Forever Purple. Heuchera Forever Purple. FAQs from a plant enthusiast. For fellow plant lovers out there, the Heuchera Forever Purple has likely caught your eye. Those stunning, rich purple leaves are a showstopper in any garden. But before you rush out and grab one, let's answer some common questions about this beauty. How to care for Heuchera Forever Purple. Light and location. Sun or shade for Forever Purple. The Heuchera Forever Purple is a versatile fellow. It thrives in both full sun and partial shade. However, there's a caveat. In full sun, especially hot afternoon sun, the leaves can scorch. If you live in a scorching climate, opt for partial shade with 4 to 6 hours of morning sun. Here's the trick. Well-drained soil is key. If your soil retains moisture, full sun might be too much. In that case, partial shade is your friend. Pro tip: when planting your Heuchera Forever Purple, mix a generous scoop of well-rotted compost into the planting hole. This helps with drainage and provides essential nutrients. Water needs. Keeping your Forever Purple hydrated. Heuchera Forever Purple prefers consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Overwatering is a recipe for disaster, leading to root rot. Here's how to find the watering sweet spot. Stick your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Water deeply until water runs out the drainage holes. Avoid getting water on the leaves, which can promote fungal diseases. During hot, dry spells, you might need to water more frequently. Observe your plant and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Soil prep, the perfect home for Forever Purple. Heuchera Forever Purple isn't picky about soil type, but well-drained soil is a must. Here's what I recommend. Loamy soil. This is the ideal mix of sand, silt, and clay, offering good drainage and aeration. Compost. Adding compost improves drainage and provides nutrients for healthy growth. Mulch. A layer of mulch around the base of the plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Remember, avoid heavy clay soils that hold onto too much water. Winter care. Keeping Forever Purple cozy. The good news? Heuchera Forever Purple is a fully hardy plant, meaning it can withstand freezing temperatures. However, in colder regions or exposed gardens, the foliage might die back in winter. Fear not. New growth will emerge again in spring. For extra protection in harsh winters, you can add a layer of mulch around the base of the plant. What are common problems and solutions of Heuchera Forever Purple? While Heuchera Forever Purple is a relatively low-maintenance plant, here are a few common issues to watch out for. Leaf scorch, caused by too much sun, especially in hot climates. Move your plant to partial shade or water more frequently. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease appears as white spots on the leaves. Improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Root rot, caused by soggy soil. Ensure proper drainage and adjust your watering habits. If you notice any problems, address them promptly to keep your Heuchera Forever Purple healthy. Heuchera Forever Purple versus other coral bells. Heuchera Forever Purple belongs to the vast family of Heucheras, commonly known as coral bells. Here's a quick comparison with two other popular varieties. Heuchera Plum Royale, similar stunning purple foliage, but with a more rounded habit. Prefers partial shade. Heuchera Georgia Peach, bright green foliage with peachy orange markings. Thrives in full sun to partial shade. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your desired color scheme and sun exposure in your garden. Conclusion: Forever Purple, a plant for all seasons. The Heuchera Forever Purple is a fantastic addition to any garden. Its vibrant foliage adds a touch of drama and complements various plants. With its easygoing nature and tolerance for different light conditions, it's a winner for both experienced and beginner gardeners. So, why not give this beauty a try? With a little TLC, your Heuchera Forever Purple will thrive for seasons to come.